No, we have no contact with no official contact with China. We are still the investigative services are still developing more information to see exactly what these five have been what operations they have been doing while they've been here in the Philippines. Dahil yung iba matagal lang nandito, nakapangasawa na ng mga Pilipina. At sleeper talaga, sleeper. Tinatawag na sleeper. So, at kailangan, kung baka naman, pagka nakausap natin sila, masabi sa atin, baka mayroon pa mga iba na maaari nating puntahan at pag-explaining kung ano yung kanilang ginagawa.
Sir, are you not bothered, sir, na yung mga spy camera nila nakatutok sa mga vital installations, sa mga EDCA sites?
That's why we arrested them, because of course we are very disturbed by anyone conducting such espionage operations against our military and our just the services that we are trying to provide the people.